In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download multiple files at once from Canva using the built-in checkbox selection. This is a quick, reliable way to save time when you need to grab several designs in one go without opening them individually. Let's walk through it together, nice and slow, so you can follow along and get the exact result you want. First, open Canva on your desktop and log in. Any modern web browser will work, but make sure you're using an up-to-date version for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, stay on the home screen. This is where your designs are displayed as thumbnails. If you organize your work into folders or use all your designs, you can stay there too. The process is the same. Now, hover your cursor over a design. You'll see a small checkbox appear on the thumbnail, usually in the corner. Click that checkbox. You're not opening the design, you're simply selecting it. You'll know it's selected because the checkbox will be filled, and a selection bar or counter will appear at the top of the page. Continue hovering and clicking the checkboxes on all the designs you want to download. Scroll through your designs and keep selecting as many as you need. If you change your mind, click the checkbox again to deselect. A quick tip: click directly on the checkbox, not the center of the thumbnail, to avoid opening the design by accident. Once you've selected everything you need, look to the top right corner of the page and click Download. This option appears when at least one design is selected. If you don't see it, double-check that you still have items selected. Next, choose your preferred file type. Canva typically offers options like PNG, JPG, or PDF. Pick the format that suits your use case. For example, PNG for transparent or high-quality images, JPG for smaller file sizes, or PDF if you're preparing documents. The choice you make will apply to all the designs you selected, keeping everything consistent. Finally, click Download to save all selected files at once. Canva may take a moment to prepare your files, especially if you selected many or chose a higher quality option. Depending on your browser and settings, the files may be packaged into a single zip file that you can open to access each design, or they may save directly. Choose your download location, and you're done. That's all there is to it. Select, choose your format, and download everything in one batch. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.